Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you something amazing from Gbfke. That is www.gbfke.com. Now Gbfke, their customer service is amazing. Their turn back time when they answer you, it's really good. Their products are amazing and their shipping is quick. Now Gbfke don't only sell what we love cross stitch, right? But they do cross stitch. They do all the newest cross stitch, all the newest beaded cross stitch, and they do diamond paintings. They do paint by numbers, epoxy molds, wax seals, resin ornaments, and so much more. Just do yourself a favor, go and look. They've got all the tools and accessories you can dream of. Now if you want to save a little bit more at Gbfke, you use my discount code, and that's Rella3 for 3% off. But hold on before you do that, because I've got something bigger coming for you. Now at Gbfke, if you spend over €59, you get free shipping. And then here it is. They are having their Merry Christmas sale. Now their Merry Christmas sale is huge. Now you want to use this code. I will also leave it in the description box. So for extra 8% off, you type in Christmas 8. So you get 8% off. But hold on. Like you see on the screen, that's not all. Buy 4, get 1 free, add 5 to your cart. Buy 8, get 2 free, add 10 to your cart. Buy 12, get 3 free, add 15 to your cart. Buy 16, get 4 free. Add 20 to your cart. Now that is savings, correct? It is huge savings. You get free stitches. You get the 8% discount. Hurry along and get it while it lasts. Alright, so let's have a look at this. I've got a stitch and then I've got some of this, my goodies. Now I want to show it to you. Remember a while ago, you can find all these products on Gbfke. I will leave the links in the description box so you can find it easy. Alright, remember I built this little cupboard. Well, after the video, I put the screws in and there's what it looks like. Alright, so Gbfke sent me more of these. So let me show you. Now it came, this little bucket is broken. It's broken off there, but it doesn't matter because that's not what I want. I want this. That's what I want. Yay! This I can just use for our needles and stuff. Alright, so in that bucket you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not show all 8 to you because they're all the same, but I want to show you how cute they are. Now originally people use them for, yes, diamond painting, but that's not what I'm using it for. So this bucket is durable plastic. Then you slide it open. Then inside, why is this one empty? That one's empty. Oh, the other set had, okay, let me just see here. Okay, so 4 of them has, let me just see. That one has it in. That one has it in. So 4 of them has tools in and 4 of them don't. So let's open one with tools. Now these are we're not going to use, so let's put them back where they belong. I will show it to you now. So half of it's got tools and half of it not, but you don't need all of them to have tools. So you open them and there's the sturdy, it slides in and out, and there's little grooves there that shows you where you have to slide. Now this little thing separates your beads. So I'm using it for beaded cross stitch. You can put your beads in and you mark it here on the side. I like to write on it with permanent marker, but you can take it off with alcohol swabs and you can also use stickers. There's a little brush and a little fold spoon to help you control all those beads or diamond painting dots or whatever you use, you see? And this little spoon just goes like Don't want to break it. There you go. And then you fold it. So 4 of them has this tools in and 4 of them not. You get 8 in your box. But hold on, I want to show you how cool this is. I only short a few more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only short 6 more. Look at this. How cool is this, guys? So when you need it, you just slide it out. You see, slide it out. So all of this is available at Gbfke, and start collecting yours because it's amazing. And this cupboard you can also mount against your wall. There is holes for that. All right, that was that. So you can have a look at that. And while you look at that, I want to ask, if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please would you be so kind to subscribe? It's for free, and by doing that you motivate me to make more videos. There is also a join button. The join button is not for free. It's a monthly subscription with a minimal fee for extra videos, prizes, and the new year is going to bring so much excitement on the membership channel. It is amazing. So if you want more details and you can't find it, just ask. Alright, also if you like this video, press the like button and leave me a comment. I will get back to you. Now you have looked at that cutie pie, right? So I can't wait to see it. So let's jump right in. There's a needle threader, 5 needles in a test tube, and a thimble. Now I know it's not a test tube, but it's test tubes. There you go. I need space. I don't have no more space. Okay, so it's on my favorite foam for durability. Remember not to get this wet in the front because you will not be happy with yourself. It will wash away. Now there's a beautiful picture of a kitty and it's 11 count and the instructions is printed on your pattern. Now our kitty has 42 colors. Now this kitty looks a lot like Gracie, guys. Gracie looks like this. Yes, Gracie. Alright, so when we do this one, her name is Gracie. So 42 colors, 49 by 49, 190 stitches by 190 stitches. And it looks a bit busy, but I can't, it always looks different on the Ada. So everything's perfect. Let's have a look at that Ada. I must remember to get Ziploc bags. These noisy bags are gonna drive me nuts. Alright, so let's see. Once again, are they in a hurry? I've opened before, it's not serged all the way around. I wonder what is happening. Why aren't you serging our things? Usually this time, because this is, this is Yushi. Why didn't you serge my thing? So this one's not serged. I have to serge it myself, or I use fray stop. But I don't use fray stop. I like to serge it. Alright, so 11 count, 49 by 49 centimeters, 190 stitches by 190 stitches. And let me tell you, there's 42 colors, but it's busy, but not busy in a way we have to change colors the whole time. So you can follow the little path and you can finish your threads. So no, not difficult at all. I think this is gonna be so cute. Look at the amazing printing. Very nice, right? Very nice. Excellent product. They forgot to serge mine, but that's okay. I'm not lazy bums. I will do it. Okay, so let's look at the threads. Oh, okay. Ooh, it's pretty. Right, we got 42 colors, and look at this. Where's the oranges? Oh, there they are. There should be orange. You see the picture? This is going to be a fun stitch, guys, and this stitch will be called Gracie. Also Gracie. Very, I'm doing another stitch, her name's also Gracie, but my cat's Gracie, and that cat looks like Gracie, so it's another Gracie, a cat Gracie. Look at this. And there's more blue on this side, hold on. I can't get the brights out, because they're in the middle. There's brights, but they're just hidden. Very, very cool stitch. Amazing colors. I am totally super duper happy. Tell me what you think in the comment box. And yes, while I pack away, I just want to thank Gbfke. You guys rock. These products are first class. I love it. I really, really love it. They're really amazing. Thank you so, so much. And to you, my viewer, remember the Christmas sale. It's huge. You save 8% and you get a lot of free stitches. So run before you miss it. Then, to you that's watching me again, thank you so, so much for always watching and supporting me. It means the world to me. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.